it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of my latest wholesale order. I'm so excited! If you watched my video on where I get my wreath making supplies in 2021, you might have been anticipating this unboxing. This is the second of my wholesale orders that have come in, and I'm excited to show you guys what's in it. I'm excited to find out too. So if you haven't watched the video of the first unboxing and where I get all my materials, after you're done watching this, go watch that. I think you're really gonna like it. So if you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Okay, this is from Allstate Floral. This was the largest order I placed, and this is also where I got lamb's ear. So I'm not sure which box is the lamb's ear. We'll find out together, and then we'll see how it compares to Hobby Lobby's lamb's ear, which is what I normally get. So it might be the exact same, it might be better, it might be worse, but we'll find out together. I've got my price list here, so I can tell you how much everything costs if you want to see. And I haven't opened any of this yet. This is all my first time seeing it, so I'm excited. This one's heavy. Hey, ooh, these are my raspberries. So in my last order, you saw my blueberries. These are my raspberries, and some of them have fallen off, which I'll be able to glue back on, I'm sure. So here are the raspberries. Aren't they cute? They're so realistic. They even have the little hairs on them that normal raspberries have, so that's exciting. These are $4.48 each. So a little spendy, but very high quality. Wow. I don't even know what this is. Not my favorite. This says button leaf spray on the tag. This was $2.80. So actually, not too bad, but I don't know. It's not my favorite. Okay, next thing. You never know if you're gonna like it until you see it in person. So that might be one that I don't like as much, but we'll see how I use it. Maybe I'll end up loving it when I use it in a wreath. This is Laurel Spray. Ooh, this is one I was excited about. Well, I was excited about all of them. Oh, I think this is a good one. Okay. How big is one spray? These are very nicely packed, by the way. Oh, these are very nice quality. These are nice. Oh yeah, I like them a lot. Look at these. Look at that quality. It's hard to tell, but these are nice, thick, real feeling leaves. These are very nice. These were $4. Oh, I got two different kinds of laurel leaf sprays. These were either $4 or $6. Depending on if these are the big ones or not. These are the smaller ones. Ooh, I love these. I'm so happy. These are gonna make the most gorgeous wreaths. Oh, I'm excited. This is a good greenery. You know how I'm always talking about finding good greenery. This is definitely good. This is my favorite. I just cleaned the living room and now I'm making a mess. Oh well. Mascari pick. These shipped out really quickly, by the way. Oh, yay! Okay, these are more plasticky than I was expecting, but they're really cute. I love these. I used to have these in my garden in my last house. These are really cute. They are a little plasticky, which means they're durable. Like if your wreath is outside, this would be really great. These are not cheap, I believe. These are $3.12 each for this thing, but they're so pretty. I love them. Very cute. This will make a beautiful wildflower wreath. And you can see you can just take each one of these things off, put them in different spots if you like. They're very durable, which means you can have a nice outdoor wreath. Ooh, interesting. What are these? The flower heads are not what I expected. These are called Echinacea Spray. And I love the leaves on these, and I think these would make a really pretty... I keep saying these are gonna make a really pretty wreath, but obviously that's why I got them. These are spendy. These were $5.44 each. So that's what they look like. What do you think? Quality has been really good with everything. These just have a funny, I don't know, undecided. But like I said, we'll see how they look on a wreath. I ordered a large variety of different things because I knew I would like some more than others. So since I can't see everything in person, I had to just do my best in guessing. So this one's probably a not so great. Ooh, ooh, these are bigger than I thought they would be. Nice. No wonder why they were expensive. Okay, I tried to order so many different colors of these, but it was so hard to find any in stock. But look at these. Look at these pansies. I know just what I'm going to do with some of these. Oh, these are so perfect for spring. Look at these. Look at how real they look. They look so real and they're so durable. Wow, these are great. Ooh, I love these. This is a win. $4.16 a piece, but oh, the quality, so good. This is so good. Ooh, I'm so excited. These are gonna be so pretty in a spring wreath. So pretty. I have a moss wreath form that I'm gonna be doing for a YouTube video coming up, so be on the lookout for that. But maybe I should use some of these in that. That'd be really pretty. Evergreen Japanica leaf spray. These are $4.72. And don't forget shipping's on top of that. Okay, these are cute. Once again, very durable. All of these things can be on an outdoor wreath and just get hammered by the elements, and I think they would be just fine. I love the variated leaves. This will add a lot of beautiful texture and dimension to a wreath. Love it. Ooh! Oh, so cute. It's just a little flower bundle. Very sweet. I love this. This is called Peony Sedum Bouquet. Okay, Peony Sedum. I like the greenery in here. These are really cute. This is more on the spendy side, but I've actually seen these on Michael's website that you can only buy online in packs of 6 or more, and they're very expensive. So just under $10 for these, which can be a lot, but this is enough floral you need for an entire wreath. So I could just have my basic lamb's ear wreath and then add these, and you have a beautiful spring and summer wreath or a wedding wreath. So I'm excited about these. These are really pretty, and you don't have to guess about the mix. It's all mixed for you, so very easy. I love it. Ooh, so pretty. Locust tree branch. I think this is one greenery I had high hopes for, so we'll see. This was by far the most expensive thing that I bought because it's a greenery that I have high hopes for. You know I'm looking for some good solid greenery for new greenery wreaths. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if this was worth $12. Oh, it's really pretty though. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's really cute. I don't think it's worth the price though. So quality is very good. I love the variegated color. So we'll see. We'll see if it's worth the price or not when I make something. It's hard to tell until you actually get into the craft room, but very pretty. I like to keep my prices as low as possible so that I don't have to charge so much for my wreaths. I like to keep them as affordable as I can, but keeping the quality high, so it's kind of a balance. Because if you get everything real touch and really high quality, you're gonna have to charge a ton or not make any money. So I don't want to do either of those. This one's already open. Ooh, olives. Gotta love olive branches. Because I already can get olive branches at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I wanted to see if these were any better quality. This was $5.60, so about the same price you would get at Hobby Lobby, maybe a little bit more. Once you get it at Hobby Lobby, half off, of course. And then I had to pay shipping on top of that. I think the quality is a touch better. The leaves, they look about the same as Hobby Lobby's. I think they look a little bit nicer, and the leaves, I can tell, are better quality just by touching them, but you can't tell until you touch it. Actually, I do think it's better quality. It's pretty good. This is cute. So that's a win. I got a lot more greenery than I did florals this time. Oh, this is not... This is a fall one. Okay, there were so many things I wanted to buy at Allstate, but most of it was sold out, back ordered, or it's gonna take a long time, and they had to restock for the next season, so it was hard to find anything other than greenery or spring stuff, but this was a fall thing I was able to get. I wonder if it's because it isn't good quality. So these are Laurel leaf sprays. This was just under $7. Ooh, it feels like fabric almost. I love the color though. Okay, it's a pretty good size. Very nice for fall. And okay, so one of the things I liked about this, the shape of the leaves and the way you can take them apart is so nice for wreath making, just to add some different color and texture. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sprays you can have, which is nice. Pretty good size. So this was just under $7. This makes me ready for fall, even though it's winter and we're just coming into spring. Oh, I love fall wreaths. So this will be really fun in the fall. So this is more of a fabric. The other stuff is more of a really high quality plastic. This is definitely like a polyester blend probably. Ooh, I'm excited about these. I love echinacea. I'm trying to grow white echinaceas in my garden, but I haven't been able to find any good quality ones. Oh, these are so cute. Echinacea spray. These were just under $3. Oh, these are very realistic looking, so pretty. This would be beautiful in a summer wildflower wreath. Very cute. I love these. I think this is a great price too. $3. This is a win. So that's good. Ooh, these look very nice. Citrus leaf spray. Oh, citrus leaf spray for my lemon wreaths, I was thinking. These were $6.56 a piece. These are very like thick leaves. The only thing that I'm not a fan of, okay, these is what they look like. Sorry, haven't been showing you very well. So the only thing I don't like about this when it comes to wreath making, because this is a very beautiful spray, it would look beautiful in a vase, but do you see all of these? So these are very easy to use when you're making wreaths, like these pieces. These pieces that are connected to the main stem are harder to use. The quality is amazing. This looks very, very good, very sturdy. So we'll see how I use this. That is the citrus leaf spray. It's the lamb's ear. See how it compares. I'm kind of nervous. I bet it's the exact same, but I could be wrong. It's even packaged the same as Hobby Lobby's. Okay, so it looks exactly like Hobby Lobby's. So there you go. Now we know. And I will buy from here if I cannot find it in stock at Hobby Lobby, but I will stick with Hobby Lobby. But it's good quality. Sometimes you get them at Hobby Lobby and they're a little more stiff, so I don't like those. So these are really nice. These are good. This is like when you find the good quality ones at Hobby Lobby. Ooh, Viburnum spray, 34-inch, wow, Viburnum spray. It's actually pretty good. So this entire thing was $7, so here it is. It's a pretty good amount of greenery and florals, so I would mix this. You know what, this would look really pretty with the Laurel Spray in a wreath. It's pretty cute. The leaves aren't as high quality as some of the other ones, but I love how different they are, so that's fun. So there's that. Ooh, flowers. Ooh, these look nice. What are these? Ooh, they're so pretty. Okay, these are Dogwood Spray. Ooh, nice. Here's the Dogwood Spray. Look at that light pink. Oh, it's so beautiful. This will be great in a spring wreath. These were $3.44 each, so I think this is a pretty good deal. $3.44. Love it. Yay. That's a good one. I'm happy with that. Okay, these are the same things as the green ones, but these are pink. I was not expecting the flowers to be so rubbery. Oh, that's kind of disappointing. I kind of wish they were flowers, but they're pretty cute. I like them. Okay, so these are called Echinacea Spray. $5.44. I do like the leaves a lot. Just a little disappointed in the flower heads. Ooh, this is the bigger olive spray. Let's see how it is. This is a huge box. Wow, interesting. The olive spray looks different than the other one. It's not just bigger. It's a different color. And I would say this is more like the quality of Hobby Lobby's. It's kind of more papery. Can you hear that? So I like the quality of the smaller size better. $5.60. This is a lot of olive spray for that. So I actually think that's a pretty good price. And they look pretty. They're more of a sagey green than an olive green. So if you want to include olive branches with maybe lamb's ear, these actually go really nicely together. Wreath idea. So actually I like that about this. Gives it more versatility. Whereas the other olive spray, since it's more of an olivey color, it'll just go different because you want your greenery not to match, but kind of have the same undertones. And since lamb's ear and this olive have more of that silver, that's why lamb's ear and eucalyptus goes so well together, because of that, the bluish silvery undertones. So I think it's gonna work out. That was it. What did you guys think? Which one was your favorite? It's pretty obvious which ones are my favorite. Anyway, let me know what you think, and don't forget to watch the video of where I get my wreath making supplies in case you missed it. I'm also going to link that cheat sheet for where I get my wreath making supplies in the description. If it's ready, it'll be there. If not, it won't be there, but it'll be ready eventually. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified, and